Lee, I want to thank you in advance for giving your testimony for us today. Tell us about some of the symptoms you were having when you first came in and how long you'd had them and what kind of therapies you'd gone through.
So I've been dealing with stomach issues for about 5 years now. I started back in 2011 and I was hospitalized from that point up until last year, a total of 60 days, 9 different hospitalizations in Alabama, North Carolina, and Nebraska. And I saw the best and the brightest of GI doctors. I was also having kidney failure and they couldn't figure out what was going on, and what my symptoms were is I had a extreme stomach pain that would just cripple me. I couldn't do anything. There was no relief. When I saw a pain specialist, they prescribed me narcotics that didn't work. I was in the ER over 50 times, and they did every test possible. I saw the best doctor in the world for what I had, and he couldn't figure out what was going on. And it got to where the pain and the episodes were happening once every 4 to 5 weeks, and it would knock me out for a week to a week and a half, and it was extremely stressful on me and our families and on my marriage, and I lost jobs. I was fired because of some of these issues, and was just basically hopeless.
Wow. All right, and tell us something about how your treatment here has been at Carnes Chiropractic.
So since seeing Dr. Carnes and staff, I guess it's the biggest thing is it's given me hope. His treatment is definitely different than anything else that I've had before, but it has been the most successful prior to how I had been being treated. He seems to be working towards the cause where other doctors were working at the symptoms, and I've found amazing progress in the 4 or 5 months that I've been seeing him, and coming in the best progress that I've had in years.
That's great. That's great. Well, what would you say to someone that's considering becoming a patient with Dr. Carnes?
I would say definitely come in and give him a try. It's not going to hurt. He's very caring, kind, compassionate, loving. He doesn't come off as someone that sees you as a paycheck or someone that's trying to sell you some type of medicine or treatment. He honestly seems sincere, and the rest of the staff, and they want to bring healing and hope to you, and that is what he has done through his treatment and listening to him and taking his advice. So I would definitely encourage you to come. If you are hopeless and other things aren't working, come give him a shot, because I forgot to say this, I was approved for medical disability. They said I had a disability and that I would not be able to go back to work, and he's given me hope or that hopefully will not be the case.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.